What's up, everyone? Today we have another full review for our HMD Pulse Pro. This phone focuses on its camera performance and boasts about its repairability, but does it justify the cost versus performance? And do you know that HMD is the parent company of Nokia? And will they do it right this time? Let's go ahead and find out.
So what's inside the box? We have the phone with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, a silicone case, charging cable, and your usual useless safety guide, product information, and startup guide, which are useful tool for starting a barbecue fire. But there's no power brick. As for the operating experience, it's a stock Android with a few bits of crapware like a booking app, LinkedIn, Kindred, and Facebook. Facebook is the only one you cannot delete as it seems to be installed in the root system of Android. The only way to remove it is to root your phone and manually delete the Facebook app from the root system. One notable feature for this phone is that you can limit the charge to 80%. This is great because it prevents overcharging and prolonged battery life. As for watching videos, this phone can only play at a maximum of 720p at 60 frames per second. Surprisingly, the video quality is good with the deep blacks and excellent color tuning. Let's talk about the 50 megapixels rear and front camera. As an entry-level smartphone, the 50 megapixels camera performance is average at best for its price range. In our first photo, the camera performs surprisingly well with photo quality leaning towards a darker contrast. In the next photo, it's decent but lacking in exposure and sharpness. This third photo has a good color saturation and brightness. Using the night mode, I don't think I'll be using this phone for night photography in poor lighting conditions, as you can see on this example. For selfies, in bright daylight, the photo quality is good as expected, but in warm lighting conditions, the photos are far less impressive than advertised by HMD. Lastly, for our video test, the front camera is less ideal even in good lighting conditions, and the back camera is just okay. There are other phones out there that is similarly priced but provide better camera performance. Now for gaming, given that this phone is powered by Unisoc T606 paired with 6 GB of RAM, I was actually surprised at how well it handled Call of Duty Mobile. Even though it cannot play at maximum graphics settings, the gaming experience was great. The touchscreen was very responsive and this phone isn't even advertised for gaming. In Mobile Legends, the experience is okay. However, you have to remember that when you first enter the arena, there's some lag that lasts about a second or two. But after that, the gaming experience is smooth. For PUBG Mobile, playing on the lowest graphics settings, the experience was smooth with no lag or frame drops. In conclusion, what I don't understand is why HMD, aka Nokia, didn't include a power brick. It seems like HMD thinks they're on the same level as Google, Apple, or Samsung, but they're actually less desirable and popular than Tecno, Infinix, and Itel. It feels like they still have this nostalgic belief that they're at the top. If they want to be successful in Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and other emerging markets, they need to consider the price and what they include in the box, not just putting a price tag about repairability. Overall, I wouldn't suggest this phone as your next budget smartphone because of its price. As of the moment, this phone costs here in the Philippines for 7,299 pesos. If they sell it for 5,500 pesos or less, then I might consider it. But for now, you are better off buying other smartphones that are cheaper and performs better, or has the same price tag but performs better. Thank you for watching, and you have a good day.